Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the most exciting, rugged, and innovative tiny homes from around the world. Today, we're taking you deep into the future with a full tour of the 2026 Apocalypse-ready tiny house, a mobile survival fortress designed for complete off-grid living, long-term resilience, and stylish comfort. Whether you're prepping for the worst or just want to live free and self-sustained, this house is built to handle anything, and we mean anything. So, strap in and get ready for a full breakdown of one of the most impressive survival-ready micro homes we've ever seen. Let's dive in. The first thing you notice about this 2026 Apocalypse-ready tiny house is its stealth meets futurism exterior. The rugged steel alloy shell is impact-resistant, bullet-resistant, and insulated with aerogel-grade thermal layers, making it equally ready for the coldest tundra or desert heatwaves. It sits on a military-grade 6x6 off-road chassis, with reinforced axles and 35-inch all-terrain tires, giving it unmatched mobility no matter what the terrain. It's not just a house, it's a mobile fortress. Now, step inside, and be amazed by how much comfort has been packed into such a serious survival rig. The main living area is a multifunctional space with a foldable Murphy bed that doubles as a couch during the day. The smart bamboo wall panels add warmth and natural aesthetics while being fireproof and antimicrobial. Every square inch serves a purpose, yet nothing feels cluttered. Above your head, there's a retractable solar curtain system built into the roof, 2,500 watts of next-gen graphene solar panels that charge a 25 kWh lithium titanate battery system. This thing can run for weeks completely off-grid without a single drop of fuel. Now let's talk about water and food. Water independence is handled brilliantly. There's a triple-stage rainwater catchment system on the roof with built-in UV and carbon filtration. It feeds into a 300-liter freshwater tank under the floorboards, keeping the interior space free and uncluttered. But the real game changer is the built-in atmospheric water generator. Yes, it literally pulls moisture from the air and turns it into drinking water, even in arid conditions. Food-wise, there's an onboard hydroponic grow wall that spans nearly 6 feet. It can grow greens, herbs, even compact veggies, and the LED system auto-adjusts based on plant needs. There's even a vertical mushroom cultivator built into the pantry unit. For meat lovers, there's an integrated solar dehydrator and vacuum-packed long-term storage unit, giving you months of ready-to-eat options. Moving to the kitchen, we have a super compact but highly functional space. Induction cooktop, convection oven, composting bin, and a smart fridge that automatically rotates stored food to avoid spoilage. Everything locks into place magnetically for secure travel, no rattling, no crashing while you're off-roading through chaos. Let's check out the bathroom, because yes, it has one, and it's far from primitive. A composting toilet with auto-seal tech, greywater recycling system, pressurized shower, and even a UV sanitizing mirror cabinet. This setup lets you live comfortably for months without needing to dump or refill tanks. It's one of the most self-contained and efficient systems we've seen. Now up in the loft, accessible via a retractable ladder, is a chill-out zone or second sleeping area, depending on your needs. It's lined with blackout panels, noise insulation, and even includes a Faraday cage built into the frame for those worried about EMPs or surveillance. Yup, this tiny house isn't just ready for the end of the world, it's ready for a digital shutdown too. Security is another massive feature of this Apocalypse-ready home. You've got biometric locks, drone surveillance capability with a built-in control panel, and IR motion detectors on all 4 corners. At the press of a button, the windows seal with armored shutters, and the ventilation system activates internal air filtration, in case of fire, smoke, or chemical threats. But the best part, despite being a mobile stronghold, it doesn't feel like you're sacrificing comfort for function. There's underfloor heating, a collapsible work desk with satellite Wi-Fi capability, 5G signal boost antenna, and full off-grid connectivity through the onboard satellite modem. The lighting is fully smart controlled, with red light night modes to preserve night vision and blue light suppression features for healthier sleep cycles. Everything from the lighting to the climate control can be managed via your smartphone or the house's own AI assistant, which doesn't rely on cloud servers but runs locally, meaning even without internet, you've got full control. Need to charge your e-bike, drone, or portable devices? The house has 10 USB-C ports, wireless charging pads built into counters, and a 12 volts garage bay at the back that can hold a foldable solar-powered e-bike, included with the house. This tiny home is a masterpiece of design, engineering, and survivalist thinking. It's eco-friendly, mobile, ultra-secure, and ready to ride out any storm, natural or man-made. Perfect for preppers, off-grid nomads, or anyone looking to escape the chaos and live independently without sacrificing style, safety, or comfort. To sum it all up, the 2026 apocalypse-ready tiny house isn't just a shelter, it's a smart, sustainable, mobile survival system wrapped in modern comfort and next-gen tech. If you're dreaming of a home that's ready for anything, from blackout to breakdown, this might just be your ultimate escape pod. Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite feature? Could you live full-time in something like this? And if the world goes sideways tomorrow, would you be ready? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more next-gen tiny home content, and tap the bell so you don't miss a single future-ready tour. We drop new videos every week, showcasing the coolest mobile homes, off-grid solutions, and adventure rigs on the planet. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious, and keep exploring the future, one tiny home at a time.